Today we're diving into something a little unusual, but incredibly interesting in the smart TV space, the AVEL AVS550SM Smart TV, a 55-inch 4K LED LCD with a mirror design and waterproof build, straight from 2024. Now, at first glance, this may look like just another 4K TV, but trust me, this is not your average living room screen. This is designed to survive environments that most TVs wouldn't dare step into. Think bathrooms, pools, spas, gyms, and even outdoor areas exposed to moisture. So, let's start with the design because this is one of the first things that sets it apart. The AVS550SM features a mirror-style finish, which means when the screen is off, it looks like a decorative mirror. That's a huge plus for modern interiors, bathrooms, or luxury spaces where you don't want a black rectangle dominating the wall. Turn it on, and you're immediately greeted by a bright 3840 by 2164K LED LCD panel, offering crisp details and vivid colors. The contrast is solid for an LED panel, and the viewing angles are surprisingly wide. Unlike other TVs that can wash out when viewed from the side, this one holds up remarkably well. Now, here's where it really shines, the waterproof capability. Unlike your standard smart TVs, this model is designed to handle moisture, steam, and even occasional splashes without any issues. This makes it ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, saunas, spas, and poolside entertainment. Thanks to its IP-rated waterproof construction, you don't need to worry about condensation or accidental spills damaging your screen. It's refreshing to see a TV that doesn't just survive in these conditions, it thrives. Under the hood, the AVEL AVS550SM runs a smart platform that supports all your favorite apps. Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, you name it, it's there. Navigation is smooth, responsive, and intuitive, just like you'd expect from a modern 4K smart TV. What's also impressive is the number of ports and connectivity options, HDMI, USB, and more, so you can hook up gaming consoles like PlayStation or Xbox, media players, or even your own sound system. They didn't compromise functionality in favor of waterproofing, which is something I really appreciate. Speaking of sound, this TV comes with waterproof speakers built into the frame. Usually, waterproof electronics compromise on audio quality, but AVEL managed to deliver decent clarity and volume. Sure, it's not going to replace a dedicated home theater setup, but for everyday viewing or casual entertainment, it's more than sufficient. And if you want a true cinematic experience, you can pair it with an external waterproof soundbar for amplified sound. Performance-wise, the AVS550SM does not disappoint. The 4K LED display provides bright, crisp visuals with solid color accuracy. It's bright enough for highlight environments, which is critical if you're placing it outdoors or near a pool. Of course, it's an LED panel, so you won't get the infinite contrast of OLEDs, but that's the trade-off for durability. The mirror surface adds a unique flair but can introduce reflections in very bright settings, so placement matters. Still, for bathrooms, gyms, or shaded outdoor areas, the picture quality is excellent. Another unique feature is the mirror functionality. When the TV is off, it doesn't just disappear, it doubles as a reflective surface. This is incredibly practical for bathrooms or gym spaces, where you want tech to blend seamlessly into the environment. It's a subtle, elegant design touch that makes it feel like a luxury appliance rather than just another gadget. The build quality deserves a mention as well. Everything from the frame to the ceiling is designed to withstand humid or wet conditions. It feels solid, premium, and well-engineered, giving you confidence that it will last for years, even in high-moisture environments. Durability is one of the biggest differentiators here. Normal TVs